As you continue to inspire our children daily, I want to express my sincere gratitude.
We appreciate everything you're doing and making learning so much fun.
Thank you for all that you do for our sons and our daughters and our future leaders. You are the spark that lights the fire.
I'd like to thank all of you teachers out there who are putting in the long days and nights, meeting the needs of your students.
I want to say thank you for keeping on what you're doing and all the great work that you've done to continue to educate the youth of today.
It takes a special kind of person to be a teacher, someone who is patient, compassionate, and dedicated to helping today's young people succeed. Teachers, thank you for all that you do. Your hard work and dedication are absolutely noticed and appreciated.
You're on the front lines teaching the next generation of students of how to be in careers and be job ready. So we want to say thank you for what you're doing. What you're doing is awesome, and we appreciate it so much.
From Realityworks family to you, we thank you for being that superhero, inspiring our kids to be the best they can be, and preparing them for a successful future and to become a successful part of our future workforce. Thank you for everything that you do.